Well, I'm not sure if this is a good payout, but it certainly didn't cost me much to get it. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make money with affiliate marketing without actually having to sell anything at all. Now, as you may know, affiliate marketing is a strategy that's used to promote product, and you get paid commission for every sale that you make. Now, this is good for those who want to create products but don't want to spend any time promoting it, because they are actually going to get sales because somebody else is promoting it for them. And this is good for affiliates as well, because they don't have to create any product at all. All they need to do is just promote somebody else's product, and they're going to get paid as well too. Now, on this channel, I've been showing you different methods how you can make money with affiliate marketing, promoting offers from ClickBank, from Digistore, from Warrior Plus, or a couple of any other marketplaces as well. But in today's video, I've got something special for you, something never seen on this channel and also on most YouTube channels as well. So if you stick until the end of this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making hundreds of dollars every single week the laziest way possible. So what you want to do first to achieve the best results with this method is actually go to YouTube, then just simply go to the search bar right here. You want to type in there Andy Caddwell, hit enter. You want to find this channel right here and press this subscribe button. Once you do that, just go back to Google and you want to look for exactly this sentence: how to grow my Instagram account. Hit search, and as you can see, there's a pretty good chance that you will get a bunch of these Quora articles. If you check some of these out, for example, what is the quickest way to grow a social media account? Just open one of these apps, and as you can see, you've got this very serious question: how to actually grow a social media account. If you check out these answers, most of them are going to be something generic. For example, like post quality content regularly, at least 3 times a week, keep it entertaining, clean and positive, or something like this. For example, focus your efforts on the right places, optimize your social media profiles, post evergreen content, work hard, post during slow hours, promote your profiles everywhere, and all that good stuff. Now, actually, this is a very serious problem that most of people are facing at one time or another. They want to grow their social media account, but all they keep finding is just these generic answers on Quora or any other forum. And for example, this is yet another thread just like that, asking how to manage and grow social media, and just again a bunch of generic answers telling you to post quality content multiple times a week, keeping it active, keeping it positive. All this is actually a pretty good advice, but it takes time, it takes effort, it takes consistency. And I'm not saying everybody does this, but most of these people looking for these things, how to grow a social media, they don't want to be doing any stuff like that. They're just looking for a quick fix, how to solve this problem because they have to move, or they just want to impress their friends, or are actually looking for a booster start. They will actually dedicate time to growing their Instagram or any other social media account, but they just don't want to start from complete scratch. And this is one of the problems that you can solve with affiliate marketing without actually having to sell anything, and you can still get paid for doing this. And so if you want to learn how this actually works, just hit that like button under this video real quick. And now just let's start it with a step-by-step tutorial. Now, first of all, what you want to do is just go to Google and look for a couple of websites that I'm going to show you, which I used and which I had the best results so far. Just go to Google and look for a website that's called upleap.com. Just go to Upleap, and as you can see right here, this is one of those websites offering real Instagram followers with targeted organic traffic. Now, this is actually a pretty common niche, and a lot of people are actually doing this, but it's one of those things that most of the people who want to do it will not admit it, and most of the people who have done it will not admit it as well. But actually buying followers and organic growth for your Instagram or any other social media page is not that bad thing. You can do this for a couple of reasons. For example, you don't want to grow an Instagram account from scratch, or you just don't want to waste time growing your Instagram account, because time is a very valuable resource. So why not spend a little bit of money to grow your account so you can dedicate the time to stuff that actually matters to you. So this is a perfectly good way to grow your social media account. But how we are actually going to make money with this, you probably may have not noticed, but most of these websites, if you scroll all the way down here, they offer affiliate program as well. What you want to do is just simply click on affiliate program, and you want to select become an affiliate now, and right here you get to sign up to their affiliate program. For example, you can see right here that the commission structure for Upleap is 25%. So for every customer you bring to Upleap, for each purchase they make, you're going to make 25%. So all you need to do is just standardly sign up for a free account. You see, we need to fill in just your first name, last name, email, and choose a password. Complete this small captcha right here, click on sign up now. Then you just want to complete this registration by filling all these necessary details like your address, your postal code, city, state. Then if you want, you can fill all these fields as well, but these are optional except this field last here. Tell us about your marketing channels. Tell us more about how you're going to resell our services on your marketing channels. All you need to do here is just write something like write their social media accounts and mailing list. Then just click on save, and then you get your brand new account. I have just set up a brand new account to show you how this exactly works. So this is your dashboard. You will see how many clicks and conversions you get right here. And And after you get a couple of referrals to actually buy this service, you will see how much money you have made in these fields right here. I believe if you have been on any other affiliate marketplace ever, you have seen something similar like this. What you want to actually do is just go to this left section right here and click on assets, and right here you get your affiliate link, your referral link. Every time somebody uses this link to actually go to this website and purchase the service, you're going to get paid 25% commission. So what you want to do is just copy this referral link and paste it into somewhere where you will be able to access it later, because we are going to be needing it and we are going to grab a couple of more. Then what you want to do is go to this website right here that's called stormlikes.net. Go to stormlikes.net, and what you want to do is here is basically the same process. As you can see, this is almost the same website promoting growth for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and more. What you want to do is just select become an affiliate now. Go ahead and register again using this personal information right here. And once you log in your affiliate dashboard, you can see you've got this affiliate link as well. Just go ahead and copy this one as well. But what you want to actually do when you're copying and pasting them to some notepad where you're going to save them, you want to actually write to each of these websites. For example, for Stormlikes, what you want to write is that you're going to be promoting it for growing TikTok, and for Uplib right here, you want to write here you're going to be promoting it for Instagram. Okay, I know most of these websites offer services for multiple platforms. For example, with Stormlikes, you can grow Instagram, Facebook and TikTok and a bunch of more like YouTube, Twitch, Spotify or SoundCloud. But we are actually going to promote each sites for each specific social media, and there's actually a pretty good reason for that, which I'm going to tell you in a couple of seconds. But we are going to grab ourselves a couple of more affiliate offers. Now the next site what you may want to use is socialplug.io. Just do the same thing for SocialPlug as you did before. Scroll all the way down here, sign up for your affiliate link, sign up for your affiliate account, paste your affiliate link to Notepad, and for social media right there, Twitter, just like that. Then just go back to Google and you want to look for this site right here, beacons.ai. Just hit search, go to beacons, and right here you want to sign up for your free account as well. This time we are not going to be chasing an affiliate links for this site, because actually if you log into your account, you can see that this is similar to other link in bio sites. But one of the reasons why I like using Beacons AI is because it's got multiple choices of customization. You can use any other link in bio website for this, but the Beacons is one I recommend mostly. What you want to do here is to basically customize this page and fill it with your affiliate links for social media growth sites. To do that, basically just go to design right here, choose a template that you like the most. For example, I went with this one right here, but you can choose any other of these templates. And even if you are not happy with any of these templates, just simply click on generate new themes right here. Watch this cute little cartoon of this cat doing whatever it is doing, and you get a bunch of new templates that you can choose from. If you don't like any of these as well, just click on generate again, and after you choose a template, what you want to do is to customize this and fill it with your affiliate links. To do that, just simply click on the button that you want to customize, and you want to rewrite whatever is in it. For example, in this one, I'm going to write grow your social media with these services, 10% off for using the links below. Then just go ahead and add 3 buttons with your affiliate links right here. I'm going to get rid of this last section because I don't want it there. I'm just going to delete it. Then just simply click on add block right here, select links, select the type of button that you want for a page, then just simply add a headline that should be Instagram for this case, then click on add link, and as a title I'm going to use Instagram as well. Then just go to Notepad, copy the link that you have saved for promotion for Instagram, paste it right there, okay, and then click on this back button right here, and it's going to stay right there as a button with your affiliate link for promoting Uplib. Then what you want to do is just do this for the remaining 2 links as well. Just add block, select links, select layout, add TikTok, add a link, go to your Notepad, copy the link for Stormlikes this time, paste it right here, right in there TikTok, okay, then add the last one, links, 3 buttons, right there Twitter, okay, add new link, copy the link for promoting Twitter for social plug, paste it right there, add title, and you can see you've got a simple page with these 3 buttons that are promoting affiliate links to services that can improve people's social media. Now you can go ahead and customize this however you want. I just show you how to do this very basically. I've been doing this a couple of times, and you can go ahead and customize the color of each of these buttons, customize the background individually, and also you can use different profile picture. Once you add your affiliate links to this site, what you want to do is click on share and then just copy this link to the site. Now if you paste it into your browser and hit enter, you'll get to this site, and you can see this is a very simple landing page with 3 buttons promoting 3 affiliate links to 3 services. For example, for Instagram you get to Uplib, for TikTok you get to Stormlikes, and for Twitter you get to social plug. Now the thing is, most of these sites offer multiple social platforms growth as well, but you want to promote a single site for a single social media platform. The reason for that is because you're going to drive traffic to this simple landing page, and once people decide which social media account they want to grow, for example, they want to grow their TikTok, they're going to come to Stormlikes with the intention of growing their TikTok, but they can see that this site offers growth of Instagram and Facebook as well, and also more sites like Twitch and YouTube and Spotify and SoundCloud. But because they have come to this site with expectations of growing their TikTok, they're going to go either for that, or they are going to decide to use this service for other sites as well. This is the same principle as if you're going to the store hungry. If you're going to the store hungry, you're going to buy stuff that you don't need, but you feel that you need it at the moment. So if they are going to come to a site like this with an intention of growing TikTok, they're probably going to try to do this for Facebook and Instagram as well. And that's why this method is so brilliant, because you're actually offering multiple choices that lead to multiple outcomes. And if people can decide between doing something and not doing something, that's pretty easy choice. But if you give them multiple choices, they're actually going to start deciding which of these choices they like the most, and that can skyrocket your chance of making money with this. Now, to actually share this, what you want to do is just copy the link to this site, go to a site like Quora or Reddit or any other forum that's hosting this type of questions, then just simply click on answer, and you want to write something like this. Social media growth is a bit tricky, but the basics are entertain, reach, engage. Give them something of free value, how to actually grow their channel organically. Then what you want to do is just write sentence like this. Or alternatively, if you don't have time to do any of this, you can try this. Then just paste the link to the Beacons landing page that you have created. It's going to give you this nice little click button, and then just simply click on post. And now we want to start posting this link to as many of these answers as you possibly can. You can do this for Quora, you can do this for Reddit, you can do this literally for any forum out there where people are asking advice how to grow their social media account. Now, this is not exactly going to make you rich overnight, but you've got this landing page created, it's filled your affiliate links, and if you start posting this to these answers for just a couple of minutes a day, you can do this literally from your phone, and with a snowball effect, this is going to start making you a pretty nice income in no time. And without actually having to sell anything yourself, you can start making hundreds of dollars a week just by doing this. Now, this is just one of the methods that I'm using how to make money on the internet, and if you want to check out another methods that you can try yourself to make money as well, try checking out this video right here. Other than that, I just hope you have a fantastic day, and I'm going to see you next time.